Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Motorola model and Android version. This matters for simultaneous connections. Next, make sure your mobile plan allows tethering and that you have mobile data active. Once done, turn on Wi-Fi so the phone can keep a client connection. Then open Settings, tap Network and Internet, and select Hotspot and Tethering. You are ready for the first actionable steps. Create or check your hotspot name, password, and band selection before moving to connection settings. Now configure the hotspot band and connection types. Choose 5 GHz for faster local throughput if both devices support it, or 4 GHz for broader range. This reduces interference with ongoing Wi-Fi use. If the phone disconnects Wi-Fi when enabling hotspot, open Developer Options and disable aggressive Wi-Fi to cellular handover and Wi-Fi scanning, which can interrupt the client. Alternatively, use USB tethering or Wi-Fi direct to share data without forcing the phone to drop its existing Wi-Fi client connection. Finish by connecting one client device to the hotspot and observe performance. Check that the phone remains on its original Wi-Fi network if that was required. If the hotspot forcibly disables Wi-Fi, reboot the phone, install pending updates, or switch to USB tethering as a reliable workaround. If problems persist, reset network settings, which clears conflicts, but remember to save hotspot name/password first. That troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn issues and gets you back to sharing internet quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.